again with another video.
A day in a boat without you in, it's not a day.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
I need your help, mate.
Why did you guys buy so much food?
Thanks, doll.
I don't need to eat. If I don't catch, I don't eat. If I don't catch, I don't cook. Here's the car keys.
My bag is mine. Your sandwich, your fruit, your fucking water. Stop. Everything in my bag now is mine. Thank you very much. My life is yours. If you want, you need to pay back. My life is yours, darling. Don't worry. Take it, everything I have. Anna, this is the last time you see me in the morning and you don't come give me a hug.
It's true. It's a fake license.
All five.
Fruit.
Can I just see that one?
Let's take a jet.
McLovin.
What do we do? Well, we need to pay for the petrol later, right?
Do we need this or we know where we're going?
We're just going to that yellow buoy right there. That's all.
The best option is stay on dock and have a dream around.
Yeah, for
Maybe
sure.
get one nice group and living in.
Cat whisperer.
Wait, turn the whole boat. Yeah.
That's right. This way.
Here is the one to smile like this.
You don't need a life jacket?
Not in Italy, mate.
Compulsory?
No. You don't even need a license.
Okay.
I swear. The first boat day of the summer. Buongiorno. Ciao.
Where are we going?
What's our little weapon? Are we on this one?
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
Okay.
ready spaghetti, let's go. Got a lot of bacon, Dad.
You can put the stuff, your stuff under the seat here.
Oh, that's a good idea. No pressure, Dan.
Let's put that in there.
Because there's space in the esky for a lot of things.
Yeah.
Forward, neutral, to
Water. Ah, ok, sì, mezza giornata. Dobbiamo lavorare stasera. Tocca a me.
That's where the anchor is.
The rest
Do
of the
we
day.
have communication with you guys somehow? Or just phones?
This is for the shower.
Forward, backward. La scaletta non c'ha il ferro.
Driven thousands of boats before in Byron Bay and Lennox Head. Slowly, please, Dan. Sorry. It's his first time driving.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I get one down in a second if you want.
Wow. Should I jump? Holy shit! I think it's a bit high for me, mate.
Daddy!
Psyching myself up for this. Everyone loves a little half-time snack. Half-time orange. Ale, you want a half-time snack? you just found an anchor.
Fancy, my friend. You can sell for $100. Nah.
Yeah.
20 euros, not.
This is a very special moment in a young sailor's life. Wear it with great pride and joy.
That's the best day of my life. We're gonna fly away now.
I'm the captain.
Bye guys, thanks for coming.
Ciao para la pompa.
Thank you, anchor boy.
Yeah.
We've almost made it back. Yes, Shay. End of the boat day. Everyone's a little bit grumpy, tired and sunburned and thirsty.